One of the key forces of the fight against the British Empire, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose dedicated his life for the nation. From the establishment of the Azad Hind Fauj to realizing the dream of a free India, he played a crucial role. His legacy is a testament to his unwavering commitment to India's freedom. Our next report brings you more.
A towering figure in the Indian freedom struggle, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's contributions remain deeply etched in the collective memory of the nation.
हिंदुस्तान अब गुलाम नहीं रह सकता और न कोई ताकत इसे गुलाम रखी सकती है। हाँ, हमें स्वतंत्रता का मूल्य चुकाना होगा। आप इसके लिए तैयार हो जाइए।
Born on the 23rd of January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha, Bose was a pivotal leader in the fight against British imperialism in India. Over time, his evolving vision for achieving independence led him to pursue a more dynamic and assertive approach. One of Bose's most notable achievements was the formation of the Azad Hind Fauj on 21st of October 1943 in Singapore. This force, comprising Indian prisoners of war from the British Indian Army, was established as the military arm of the Azad Hind or the Free India government, which Bose founded to advance the cause of the Indian independence.
हमने जो आज़ादी की लड़ाई छेड़ रखी है, उसे तब तक जारी रखना होगा जब तक हमें मुकम्मल आज़ादी हासिल न हो।
Bose's leadership and dedication were exemplified by his efforts to forge strategic alliances with the Axis powers, including Japan and Germany. By leveraging their support, he sought to strengthen his campaign against British colonial rule and rally both soldiers and civilians to his cause. Despite his mysterious disappearance on the 18th of August 1945, following a flight, Bose's legacy endures. His stirring call, "Forgive me blood and I shall give you freedom," continues to inspire and resonate.
Only when the blood of freedom-loving Indians begins to flow will India attain her freedom.
Bose's courage and innovative strategies played a crucial role in India's journey toward independence. Diptanshu Kashyap for DD India.